How are you all doing? Enrique here, and today we're going to see this new membership screening that have been added to Discord with the latest update. For that, you want to go into your server right here, right click and go into server settings. You want to go into community tab if you haven't already made it and enable community. Get started. So you want to set right here your community safe. To keep your community safe, that you really need a verified email address. Also, you don't want any not safe for work images or videos into your Discord server. You can click right here, click on next. Here you want to choose your general channel, for example, and community update channels. You can create one. Click next. Here you want to look into default notification for mentions only. Remove moderation permission for everyone. So only the moderators and the admins that you choose can have these moderation permissions. And follow the rules. I agree and understand, and click on Finish Shadow. Here, as you can see, you have the tab of membership screen. Go in here, and here you can set up rules that the new members must explicitly agree to before they can talk, react, or DM other members. If you give a role to a new member, we'll bypass this requirement. Set up membership screening. Click on here, and here you can write a description of what your server is about. For example, updates and ideas for Enrique Caltech. When you're done writing your description, you can start setting up the server rules. For the moment, you can only have server rules. I think in the time we are going to activate this, there are other options like short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, and connection. Click on Get Started. And here you can add the rules. Here are some example rules that you can choose. I'm going to choose them. For example, be civil and respectful. And this is going to write, treat everyone with respect, absolutely no harassment, which hunting, sexism, racism, or hate speech will be tolerated. Click Add Rule. You can add a second rule, let's say, no spam or self-promotion. Add rule. Now that you don't accept any not safe for work images or videos into your server. And let's add another one. Be a subscriber to Enrique Cal YouTube channel, for example. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, my friends. And now you can click on Save. Now, all the members that you will invite into your Discord server, we have to read and agree all of these server rules before entering into your server. The changes are automatically saved, but don't forget that you have to enable them before you close this window. Click on Enable, and now every time you invite somebody into your server, we have to have a verified email account and to read and agree to all of the rules that you set up for your Discord server. That is pretty much it for this new update and for these new rules that you can apply into your Discord server. And now everybody that you invite into it will have to apply, to read them and to agree them before they enter in your server. Keep it a more friendly and nice place to be for everybody. Thanks for watching, my friend. Like the video if you find it useful. And a subscriber is always welcome to the channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Write me on the comments if you need any more help on tutorial or you have any problems following this guide. Once more, thanks for watching and see you on the next time. Bye bye.